Charlie 7 Juliet, Juliet, continue now to Papa, Kilo and Juliet, hold mic 1.
Papa, Kilo, Juliet, hold short mic 1, Qatar 7 Juliet, Juliet.
57 Yankee Bravo, dash Delta, stand fast to brake press push and... Bravo, dash Delta, stand fast to brake press push.
Jersey 7 Yankee Bravo, stand 5-2, push start approved.
Start approved, stand 5-2.
Easy 2 Uniform Hotel, continue Papa, Kilo and Juliet, hold mic 1.
Papa, Kilo, Juliet, hold mic 1.
Easy 2-3 Uniform Hotel for planning, could you accept Hotel 1?
Right, CJ Charlie, Manchester, hello, number 1 for Vector Island, approach runway 23 right, Tango is your arm elevation, there's no delay, and turn right, heading 345. Right, turn heading 345, and do you still require the speed below flight level 100, right, 68 Charlie? Alright, 68 Charlie, no, you start reducing, but keep it to 220 knots or greater, please, just for the moment, let me know when you need to come below 220. 220 or greater will go around, 68 Charlie. Right, 68 Charlie, you're about 7 miles from touchdown, descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1003. Descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1003, you're at 68 Charlie.
Tower, good afternoon, Qatar 7 Juliet, Juliet, taxi on Kilo, hold short mic 1, so mic 1, runway departure.
Sorry, 7 Juliet, Juliet, Tower, would you hold my 1?
Mic 1, Qatar 7 Juliet,
But QNH remains 1003, and it's still being no delay, Vector Island, approach 23 right.
Thanks, that's all copies, so Juliet, ILS 23 right.
And you say number 319?
A7.
Too big, thank you. Descent flight level 70 and expect to heading off stage very shortly.
So level 70, okay, so Juliet.
T3 Uniform Hotel Tower, is Label Hotel departure? Easy T3 Uniform Hotel, Roger, continue down flight.
and Tower, we are ready on reaching. Sorry, Juliet.
7 Juliet, Juliet, Roger, environment 1, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff with 220 degrees, 11 knots.
Alright, Mike 1, clear for takeoff, runway 23 right, Qatar 7 Juliet, Juliet.
638 Charlie, reducing speed. 638 Charlie, thank you, and from now on, speed 160 knots, all greater until 4 mile final. You're number 1 with 1 following you. 160 greater, alright, 638 Charlie. Runway 638 Charlie, turn left heading 320 degrees and descend to altitude 3,500 feet. Left turn heading 320 degrees, descend altitude 3,500 feet, and 638 Charlie. Shuttle 2 Victor, no need to run today, you can make the right turn now, heading 005.
Heading now of 005, so Juliet.
638 Charlie, number 1, range is 17 miles. 638 Charlie, turn left again, heading 310 degrees. Left turn heading 310 degrees, so 638 Charlie. Shuttle 2 Victor, 21 miles to touchdown, descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1003.
So that's 5,000 feet, QNH 1003, so we'll keep it.
Right, 638 Charlie, descent to altitude 2,500 feet. Descent altitude 2,500 feet, right, 638 Charlie. Mike 1. 78 Bravo, tower, hold Mike 1. Hold Mike 1, Victor range 18 miles, descent to altitude 4,000 feet.
Nine Hotel Whiskey India Tango delivery. Information India is currently QNH 1003, clear to Rotterdam. Push close to